For method number 3, you want to pleat your front pleats first. Once you're done pleating, you want to stagger your pleats and then pin them together before you even start your hip pleats. You want to make sure that the last pleat is at a point where if you were to fully extend your arms and hold the border like this, you have enough fabric to do that. Like if your arm is here, that's like not enough fabric to do what you want to do. And if it's more than that, it's just going to look really clumsy. So once you have that, what you're going to do, hold this part down. You don't want to tuck this part in, and then bring the pleats up and then tuck the pleats into the front. Reach your hands into this little opening here where you haven't tucked in the sari, and then reach underneath all of these pleats, the border part of the fabric if you have it, or the edge of the sari, and kind of just pull that to your right hip, and you should get a little bit of sari here. And what that does is it tightens this entire section of your sari, and you can guide the pleats to however you'd like them to look. This is the easiest way to do this hip pleats and achieve these hip pleats, but you really need a sari that's gonna like listen to you. So I don't think this works well with satin saris, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, leave any questions in the comment box below. I absolutely love reading your comments. See you in a future video.